PRC, quality service since 1972. Repairing TVs, console stereos, electronic musical instruments, pinball machines, arcade games, and more. Call 836-0454.
This is the Weather Xtreme video. This is for Wednesday morning, the 22nd of October. I'm James Spann here in the Weather Center. One more nice day, then a big weather change before the weekend gets here. And let's take a look out the window. These images captured around 6 o'clock yesterday, right as our 6 o'clock news was beginning. And yep, it's a great time. I love those sunset shots. There's a look at our Coleman Skycam, the sun going down on the western horizon. Look real carefully on the horizon there. You'll see the two steeples of the Sacred Heart Church, which is in downtown Coleman. From Demopolis, oh, that's nice. Sun going down over the Tombigbee River. That's the view from the Demopolis Civic Center, and that's always nice. Sun going down over the Gulf of Mexico, and really beginning soon, the water will be where the sun goes down. At the moment, it goes down over the building there on the horizon, but beginning in a week or so, we'll have that sun going down over the Gulf, and that's always so nice. Well, this morning, we've got a whopper of a storm coming out of the Rockies, and that's the one to watch, and that's going to stir up all kind of trouble out there. Temperatures are cold back in that cold trough with sub-zero, or it's not sub-zero, sub-freezing temperatures over a large part of the Rockies where big snows came down yesterday. And you can see the sharp thermal gradient there from, say, Wichita Falls, Texas to Trinidad, Colorado. You go from 60 in Wichita Falls back to below freezing in Trinidad, and that system is moving our way. Blizzard warnings in effect for Goodland, Kansas, those counties in red. Yeah, how about a little mid-October blizzard there? Winter storm warnings up into parts of Nebraska. We're talking potential for over 6 inches of heavy, wet snow, maybe power outages, whiteout conditions. And surrounding that, you've got a wind advisory all the way from Texas up into South Dakota, and also a severe weather box out there to the east. There's a look at that watch, severe thunderstorm watch for parts of Oklahoma and Kansas. There is a slight risk of severe weather for the rest of today and tonight for parts of northeastern Texas and southeast Oklahoma. We don't expect any severe weather here Friday when that gets here because the air will be cool and stable, the boundary layer. Here's the expected rain for the next 5 days, and don't know whether there's that minimum there from near Greenville, Alabama to Atlanta, but I think most everybody gets about 1 inch. That looks pretty good, and we still think the bulk of the rain will come Thursday night and Friday, maybe into Friday night. Just a good rain event there at the end of the week. Tropical weather scene, still got the disturbed weather in the western Caribbean, but no sign of any organization there. That will be pulled north, we think, up into the Gulf in that trough, but the odds of any major development at this point look pretty small. Well, this is the GFS, the Global Forecast System, the prime global forecasting model, valid at 1 o'clock today at 500 millibars, about 18,000 feet off the ground. Big trough shows up nicely. Down below that here, one more nice day. And there's your developing blizzard over Kansas and Nebraska. Tomorrow, the thing evolves into a big bowling ball with the core of the upper low over northern Kansas. And down below that, again, you can see we stayed dry, we think, during the day Thursday. And Thursday should be a little cooler with some wedging going on. That big cold 1,036 millibar high around Buffalo, New York, should put highs back in the upper 60s tomorrow, with clouds increasing. And we'll mention the chance of a shower by afternoon, but no doubt the better rain will come tomorrow night and certainly on Friday. There's a look at Friday. Very good dynamic lift. And if we had unstable air, yeah, we'd be thinking severe weather with a negative tilt trough like that. But again, the boundary layer should be cool and stable. So Friday just looks like a wet day. Rain much of the day, a good 1 inch rain. Very good fall rain there. And then Saturday, starting off the weekend, we've still got the deep upper trough around us, but we're dry slotted. And accordingly, we'll forecast the sky becoming partly sunny, a high in the 60s more than likely. And yeah, look at those low thickness values to the north. And underneath that cold core upper low, there could easily be a few snowflakes maybe for some folks up there. And then Sunday, all of that lifts northeast. Really messy up in the northeast on Sunday. But around here, we should have a pretty decent day, sunny with the high close to 70. Now, look what's back on the table. You know, about the time you finally just kind of take it off the table and say, well, maybe it's not going to happen, it's back. We've talked about that long wave trough, widespread frost. Well, the whole thing is back now. Monday of next week as an eastern U.S. trough deepens. Very cold air advection Monday. 540 line down to Coleman. That would suggest a high only of about 60. And then Tuesday, as that cold high settles in, that's the morning where we could see widespread frost. So it's back on the table again. We try not to flip-flop with every model run, so instead of going hog wild on this, let's wait and see the 12Z, but that looks pretty cold, doesn't it? And Wednesday of next week should be a beautiful day. Quickly, at the end of the forecast on the 6th of November, we've seen all kind of looks out here. That doesn't look overly interesting at that point. That looks dry, but again, we all know that is in Voodoo Land. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes on the blog, AlabamaWX.com, if you're watching this on YouTube or iTunes. The next video here by 3:30 or so today, and of course we invite you to watch us on television this evening, ABC 3340 News at 5, 6, and 10. Again, thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day, and God bless.
Weather.